bumpy ride in there, Evangeline. Hold on, girl. Hold on. This is like the good thing. Look.
Say hi.
Can we go in the maze?
Yeah.
Watch out, don't fall. Hey,
Okay, we gotta do the corn maze first.
Got a little fan for the princess so she doesn't get too hot.
Corn maze.
Go, 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 go. Go, Brittany. Three minutes. He said 3 minutes.
Oh, 3 minutes?
Yeah.
Dang, I thought it was gonna happen right now.
Hey, that thing's gonna shoot out a bunch of candy. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you gonna get a lot of candy?
Are you gonna get a lot? Or are you gonna get just a little? A lot.
I'll get 2 packs.
2
2
packs?
packs. You better get 10 packs.
Yeah, for today and tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day and the next day. We're gonna have Skittles until Christmas. All of them. Grab all of them.
All of them, but kids will want some too.
Yeah, all the other kids can get some too.
You're just kidding.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. But no.
Go, go, go. Whoa! Go, go, go. Get it, Noah, get it.
Is that one?
I got you this one here.
All right, girls, come on. Look, this one, this one. Here, you want to put it back?
Dude, that was crazy. Hey, was that crazy?
Did you see all of those?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
Here.
2 strawberries.
I had to steal this from a little kid.
Yeah.
He was reaching to grab it. I was like, that was crazy, right?
Yeah, we just got these.
Look, there's one under that tree. Right there. Go get it. Got it.
Way too many.
What do you say?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yay!
Noah, look.
Look, he wants to give you more, Noah. It's like trick-or-treating came early.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Y'all are so sweet.
Hooked her. She was like, she was jumping out, dude. She wasn't even, dude, she was like popping out.
Really?
Yeah. Buffalo, she was like popping out.
Yeah. Look, she tries to roll. Every time we have her in
carried, that's why.
Every time we have her in the swing, we have to buckle her in now because she tries to roll out.
Here, let me just. You know what I just watched last night?
Children of the Corn?
Yeah, in this maze thing.
We should have watched
Where they were
Children of the Corn.
Where they were trapped in there.
Hey,
It's
look,
a new movie.
corn in a cup. Call it elote.
But
You ready for this maze?
yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drenched in sweat.
Do that one. Yeah.
Yeah. Down by the corn cobs, babe.
Let's go.
I just watched a movie in the trees, and it was about these people that get lost in the maze in this corn, and it keeps changing the maze,
Oh wait, I think I know what
and they can't ever get it out. Look, it's real corn.
Yeah, it's corn maze.
Bring the freaking bank.
Dad should have came in here. There's more shade.
I know.
Want me to go tell Dad?
Well, he's gonna have to carry her though.
Yeah.
I'll carry her.
Hey, you want to take some corn?
Send me some of that corn.
Send me some of that corn for
Look,
later.
look.
Name that movie, guys, in the comments. Grandma's so silly.
Yeah.
Hold on, we're waiting for your sister.
Oh.
Look at the princess! Oh my goodness!
Winner, winner.
Oh my gosh.
It's gonna take us forever to get through.
But I want to go. You better go.
Okay.
Come on, let's go again. Oh my goodness.
I want to pet the dog.
No, you're fine. Princess has her fan. Feeling good.
I need another one.
Yeah, she needs like 4.
2 here, 2 there.
Yeah.
Okay, Junior, I think we're ready. You hear that? For 3, 2, 1, and they're out. And the back and takes on.
Oh my
We
God.
got next move on the inside. Back, next move on the outside. That's the back one.
What do we do
The
now?
back one wins.
Oh my goodness. Look how cute.
Did you see them?
Look at them. They're so
They was
cute.
fast.
Oh my
They was so fast,
God.
you might-
You enjoying the show?
Why don't you put them on your back?
Happy fall, y'all.
Happy what?
Fall. Yeah.
You ready, Noah?
Peanut butter,
Look at those.
Oh my goodness, look, Noah.
glowing pumpkin heads.
See, the water's over there.
favorite too.
You want to see the tunnel yet? Yeah, see the pirates, especially. Remember?
Evangeline doesn't even cry. She doesn't even know.
It's like,
I'm not going in there.
I didn't see the clown thing. I didn't see it. I can't see.
Oh my God, what was that? Beck, did you do that?
No, I know.
Beck, did you do that?
No.
Something grabbed my leg.
Have your eyes closed now.
Yes, she does. Oh.
Let me see. Go this way. Usually when it's quiet, something happens.
Babe,
Oh.
babe,
Oh, crap.
I don't like this. Babe, I don't like this.
Let me record this.
Oh my God. Babe. Something is grabbing my leg.
That's my mom.
I'm gonna kick your mom in the face. Are we done?
Okay.
Are we done?
Yeah, we're done.
Are we done?
Yep.
Oh my God! Were you grabbing my leg?
She was on my back the entire time.
God!
When that cow was behind you, I had the perfect opportunity to grab your leg.